Hey everyone, Jordan here from ThatCarLife, and today is a very special day. We are taking our BA Falcon drift car to a drift event, and it's been over a year since the first time we drifted this car, so it's definitely long overdue. As you can see, we've got this thing here, we've put the ThatCarLife plates on it. Since our last event, what we've done a bit different is we have fully stripped out the interior. So as you guys could see in the last video on the Ford, we fully stripped out the interior of this car just for a bit of weight reduction. So yeah, we wanted to make this car a bit lighter and feel a bit better on the track as well. And just now we've also put on this replica Nardi deep dish steering wheel. So this thing will obviously save a lot of weight because the stock steering wheel was very heavy, and this will feel a lot better while driving as well with this nice deep dish wheel. So yeah, hopefully with the lighter weight, with the weight reduction and this awesome deep dish steering wheel, yeah, the car should hopefully feel a lot better to drift, and we're all very excited. And the car's just chilling at Mems's new warehouse, which he hasn't revealed yet on his channel, so I'm not going to show anything yet. If you guys want to see Mems's new warehouse, I'll link it right up here to Mems's channel when he does reveal it. So yeah, this place is absolutely insane and you guys will freak out. So make sure you head to Mems's channel, show him some love, and stay tuned for the epic reveal on this warehouse. Pretty much what we're going to do now is we're going to chuck a battery in this thing, get this thing running, and then yeah, chuck it on the trailer, go to a servo, fill it up with some fresh fuel, do the tire pressures, all that, and then we'll go down to Eastern Creek and have a blast. We're very pumped, very excited. So we're going to finish getting the car ready and we'll catch up with you guys at the servo. All right, so we're just filling up at the servo now. We've got the car on the trailer, filling up a full tank of 98. Here's Alex filling her up. You keen, bro? You keen for today? We're going to do some sick passo runs?
100%.
Yeah.
I'm keen.
Excited?
Excited.
How long's it been?
A year.
Almost exactly a year. Almost exactly a year.
And what we've changed is interior and steering wheel.
90 replica. Actually feels nice.
Yeah.
eBay spec.
eBay spec. We're running late, so we're going to start heading to the track. We'll start setting it soon. Let's go. We're in the Ford, and it's been over a year since we've drifted this car. We're ready to slide this thing, bro.
Yep. Send it to you, bend it.
Yeah, that's it. Yes! That was so close. You know you got so close, like I clenched my ass cheeks, man.
That's cracker.
First time driving this car in over a year. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the boys. Look at the angle on you.
Oh my god, you're close! What's up? Oh my god, save!
So we've had quite a few runs in this car and we're having an absolute blast. It feels definitely a lot better with that weight reduction, and this steering wheel, this feels so good to drive. Having a deep dish steering wheel, it's made the world of difference. One of my last runs, I actually tandemed for the first time. That was insane.
All right, man. I got it. You ready? Don't hit the wall, yeah? Let's see what happens. I need to come out alive. Yeah, man! Bend the wall! I gave my turn to Alex. He's gonna be. Let's see how he does. Yeah, baby. There we go. Control it. You got it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 Let's go, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's that water. Oh, the game. That's too much fun. Yeah. Proper.
Alright guys, so we've had a few runs and the car unfortunately has broken. Basically we're having some problems getting the car into gear. We think that the gear selector linkage might be broken. You have it in park and it's in reverse. You put it in neutral, it's in drive. So it's a bit how you're going. This thing, because it's automatic, we'd like to put it in first with Tiptronic or second. That's the best way and the easiest way to drift this car. But we can't put it in Tiptronic first or second. So that's where the problem lies right now. So we've got Haas and Alex having a look, seeing if they can fix it. But we can get it into drive and reverse and all that, but yeah, getting it into first or second with Tiptronic is just proving a bit difficult right now. So hopefully we can get it working.
I think it was bound to happen.
There's an hour left of the session, but the Falcon's gone back on the trailer. Unfortunately, we weren't able to fix the issue with the gearbox, putting it in Tiptronic, and also running the risk of the car popping out of gear while we're driving too, which is definitely possible. So we didn't want to risk it. The car's going back on the trailer. We still had quite a few hours of absolute fun sending this thing, drifting it off its head. So yeah, we all had a blast, and this thing handled amazing as well, obviously up until this moment, but at least the engine's all good, and you know, it stayed cool most of the time as well. How was it today for you? The car handled good too, eh?
Yeah, they just need to do coilovers and bucket seats.
We're being flung around that thing, eh?
Yeah, it's no good.
So, and yeah, look how high it is. It's still a bit of a boat. It felt definitely lighter, eh, with the weight reduction.
It's easy to flick around. You can feel the weight transfer. If you get coilovers, you'll get changed.
So, Mems, how did you feel drifting the car today? How was it?
For a stock BA Falcon, it's not bad. It's actually not bad. It has a little bit of body roll. Weight reduction did make a huge difference. The car slides a bit better. Today was good. It was good fun. Yeah, Tiptronic's not working. Maybe get some seats. Maybe like lower a bit. Look at the back, guys. The back is a bit too high. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today. Jordan can end this video.
Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. We had an absolute blast finally taking the BA Falcon drifting again. And a quick update on the gearbox. As soon as we got the car back to Mems's and off the trailer, the gearbox was literally working perfectly, and it was going into all the gears just fine. Tiptronic, all that stuff was literally working perfect. So we're thinking maybe the gearbox just got a bit hot, and that's why I was having some trouble with the gears. So we're definitely planning on doing the transmission fluid very soon, just to make sure that the gearbox has a better time at the next drift event. And stay tuned guys, we got heaps more awesome plans in store for this car, and we're going to be taking this thing to a lot of drift events this year. So thanks again guys. If you enjoyed, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one on That Car Life.